Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a simple ponytail hairstyle. Hope you enjoy this video.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. But not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
She see money, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against Millie, nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up with around me, nigga can't play when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there.